Hello, how long has it been since I last uploaded my video? It's been a while, a month or two, because I was really busy on my exam and my school since school happened. Now that I have MCO is started again, I have the time and energy to start making videos again. As you can read the title, we are going to discuss about the meditation. Why do I meditate every single day? Or at least I try to meditate every single day. So let's roll the intro. Meditation is really hard. So let's start the video by saying meditation is a really hard thing to do, because meditation is sitting there and doing nothing for 20 minutes or so, depending on your time frame. But it's normally 20 minutes. Do you know why is it so hard? It's precisely because you're sitting there and doing nothing. Because as compared to watching a 20-minute anime episode, a 20-minute meditation session is really boring. Okay, but you need to know about the benefits to motivate yourself enough to start doing the meditation, but because you know that the meditation is a good thing. So allow me to share some of my experience about it. Okay, first of all, meditation teaches you how to focus on boring and small things, like for example your breath, and not get distracted by random thoughts that you have in your mind. And in this way, the meditation teaches you how to focus on the task on hand and not distracted by other random stuff. Meta-awareness. Ever heard of it? It is the ability to detect whether or not you are distracted or not distracted by random thoughts. Meditation in a way forces you to practice meta-awareness. Why? Because meditation forces you to focus on your breath and not distracted by other random stuff you have in your mind. This is the role of meta-awareness. It pulls you away from your distraction and back to the task on hand. Meta-awareness allows you to focus on your task more deeply than ever, because you're not as easily to be distracted by other things in your environment or in your mind itself. Meditation also expands your attention space, according to the book that I read called How to Be Productive in a World of Distractions. You can say attention space is the RAM of your brain. It's the amount of temporary data your brain can hold at a single time. By expanding this RAM, you can hold more data at a single time, means you have more data and you have more points, and you can connect all those points together more efficiently at a single time. And in this way, this will cause you to be more creative with the stuff you have. Having sleeping problems? According to research, meditation is said to reduce sleep problems. For example, in a 2015 study published in JAMA Internal Medicine Trusted Sources, researchers analyzed how mindfulness affects 49 adults. Those 49 adults are being assigned to a 6-week meditation or good sleep hygiene education. In the end of the experiment, researchers found that the mindfulness meditation has reduced insomnia symptoms and daylight fatigue in those adults who experience or practice meditation. This stretches beyond stress reduction because it also increases the control of the autonomous nervous system, which reduces how easily you are awake. Other than that, meditation also induces the release of melatonin, which is a sleep hormone which induces you to feel tired and wanting to sleep and helps you sleep better. In Headspace, a guided meditation app, not sponsored in any way, it always advises us to be more aware of what we are doing, not just during the meditation session, but also when we are in our daily life. I don't really understand at first when I started meditation when I was 15 years old. But now I'm trying to understand it since I've been reading books recently, and it's trying to tell us to be more mindful of what we are doing, to be aware whether or not what we are doing right now is meaningful to our life. It's going to bring value to our life, to make our life more fun or meaningful. I'm starting to get it, and this is one of the perks of meditation. It teaches you stuff that you don't normally see or read in books or any kind of media. So now you are very motivated to start meditating every day. So How do you start? There are generally two types of meditation. The first is concentrative meditation. The second is mindfulness meditation. Concentrative meditation is the type that focuses all your attention on a specific object or a specific body part like your breath. Whereas mindfulness meditation targets more specifically on depression or being more accepting, aware of your present moment. So I hope this video helps you guys in understanding meditation, or I'm just sharing my experience about it, and hope it helps you, and bye bye.